Alamak, tak boleh alih ni. Okay. Right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so as we are supposed to be learning today, or this week is supposed to be about quoting, summarizing, and paraphrasing, which these are three important aspects in academic writing skills for students to master in order to avoid them from plagiarizing. Okay, so we will have, this is going to be not proper, okay? I hope you can see this. What I'm going to be talking about is actually elements in academic writing, which includes these four important things, okay? Or you may also see from the screen here, these are the important elements in academic writing, which are number 1, in-text citation, number 2, reference list, number 3, direct quotation, number 4, indirect quotation, which consists of paraphrasing and summarizing techniques. Okay, so I bet you can read this yourself as well, but I'm going to somehow explain this a little bit. Okay, so in-text citation is actually this. Okay, having the surname of the author and the year the work was published. This must be made mentioned in your paragraph or in your essay when you are taking or when you are extracting ideas from the original source written by this author. Okay, for our academic writing work, we are using APA academic style, which is American Psychology Association, APA. So APA, we go by author surname and year. It's author year. Okay, remember that. Okay, then second important element is reference list. Reference list is actually the list of the references or the sources that you refer to when you are doing your work. For example, you refer to newspaper, you refer to a journal article, you refer to books, you refer to magazines. So the full information of the sources will be listed in this reference list. Okay. The one in the text, the one in your essay is just the author's surname and the year. For example, here you can see we are using the words from Lu to support the claim in this paragraph. So Lu 2002 is actually coming from this. This is the real or the complete information about the source that you took from Lu. Okay. Secondly, you can see Riley 2004. So this is the second source or the second reference that we referred to, or the writer of this paragraph referred to. So Riley 2004 is actually this. So this is the complete information of Riley. Therefore, in your writing, you don't mention in full, in the text, you don't mention in full where does this source come from or where does this article come from. You mention that in the reference list. Okay, so and then characteristics for reference list, we do not number them. So there is no need for you to number or to do bullets here. So if you notice, no number, no bullets over here. So it is supposed to be like that where you list. Secondly, about reference list, you will list your references according to alphabets. So it will go alphabetically in order. So between Lu and Riley, so you can see L and Art. So definitely L will go first. So you put Lu first, or you position Lu first in your reference list. Okay. Right. So that's about reference list. Next, direct quotation. So it's okay to actually to direct quote in our paper, but it's not advised. It's not encouraged for students or for writers to direct quote all the time. Direct quote means you use the exact words from the original writers or original authors and then put this from A to Z original words in your paper like this. Okay, so long captured the enthusiasm and love of dedicated fans from all over the world. You notice it comes with double quotation marks here. So this, and also page number. So these two, double quotation mark and page number, are actually indicators that the words here are directly quoted. Okay. But if you paraphrase, if you use your own words, you refer to one article, you read this particular short paragraph, you want to take out the idea, you paraphrase. That means you use your own words. Then you don't need the double quotation marks and you don't need to mention the page number. That is called paraphrasing or paraphrase. Or you can also use your own words by summarizing. The difference between these two, paraphrasing and summarizing, is that paraphrasing can be shorter or longer than the original one, but summary will be definitely shorter than the original one. As simple as that. Okay. Alright, and okay, so those are the basic elements in academic writing for you to know today. Okay. Alright. This is basic video, and then we're going to move next to the practice a bit. Okay. Thank you.